I wanted to make a clarification video here. The headrests for the 99 to 04 Mustangs are a little bit interesting. They have some cool options like the interior upgrade package. For the most part, you have these headrests here that come on the GT and the V6 seats. They're shorter. These have the French stitching on them. So you can see how the stitching is nice in the middle, and then it has the stitching on the sides there where you can actually see the thread. That looks really good. The older ones have this bead stitching. So this is like a 94 Cobra, 94 to 98. Some of them had these bigger headrests that are similar to the ones that I'm going to be talking about here, but they had the bead stitching on them. So that was actually an issue because the later V6 Mustangs that had the interior upgrade package and the bigger headrests, they actually had the bead stitching on them. So I had ordered one of those big headrests because I needed just one. I had acquired one from a Mach 1 somewhere, and then I needed one more, and I bought one online from a Ford dealership in California, and when it got here it had the bead stitching, so it totally didn't match. So you have to be careful with that, and some people will sell these interior upgrade package seat headrests like these, but the big ones that are the charcoal color and everything, but they have the bead stitching, so you know it was for a V6 and it did not come out of a Mach 1 or a Cobra. But there are some differences in the other headrests, and so I want to go over that a little bit here. So this is a GT headrest or a Mach 1 non-interior upgrade package headrest. It's only up and down adjustable. This is a bullitt one. This one goes up and down and tilts forward and back, and you can see it's much taller than the GT one, yet the Mach 1 and the 0304 Cobra and premium GT ones are even taller than both the bullitt and the GT one, and you can see how this tilts forward and back and up and down. So that is the big difference there. This is a normal GT or Mach 1 headrest. But mostly in this video, what I really wanted to get across was that the 0304 Mach 1 Terminator Cobras and the interior upgrade package GT headrests are the ones on the left, the taller ones. And even though they look like the bullitt and the 2001 Mustang Cobra headrests, they are still taller than the 01 Bullitt and the 01 Cobra, which that headrest is on the right. So here I have one of each on these extra Mach 1 seats I had as I was switching things around. And that's just something that I wanted to clarify, that the interior upgrade package headrests, yes, they look very similar as the 01 Cobra and Bullitt, but they are not. They're actually a little taller, although they do both go up and down and tilt back and forth, or so they're called four-way adjustable headrests. But anyway, that was just something I wanted to make clear, because some people might get a set of 01 Bullitt headrests or 01 Cobra headrests and say that they're interior upgrade package headrests, but technically for 03 and 04 they're not quite the same. Now the bracketry underneath is the same, so you could take the cushion off of the whole foam part off of these two seats here and switch the headrests, and you would have the bigger headrests or the smaller ones switched around. That does work because the framework underneath is the same. And TMI makes reproductions and they sell the foam and the covers and stuff, so if you have the four-way adjustable seats like this but they're torn up, I believe TMI does sell those in the kits when you redo the seats, and so they look really good. But anyway, just wanted to make a quick video about this and show the difference, because now seeing these two next to each other you can tell that there is a difference, and then the GT normal headrest would be even shorter than both of these. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. It was something I wanted to make a clarification on. I had a lot of questions about it. I posted this on my Instagram. A lot of people were asking me more questions about it, so there you go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Mustang content.